All right, we'll go to this next promo code. We should probably unbox an unknown.
Oh, yeah.
We haven't done
Let's
that
unbox
in a
an
minute.
unknown. Quick. Yeah. Which one? Grab one.
Any of them. Let's see.
Let's unbox an unknown. Let you guys get some extra entries on the prize wheel.
All right. This is about the same size box as the last one. I'm not sure what's in this box. I think it growled at me. So here's the next unboxing the unknown.
Let's see what we got. All right. So, oh, wow. Yeah, it's a little heavier than I thought. It's probably about 4 to 5 pounds here. Let's see what we got.
Guess.
We got a dinosaur toy, puzzle, mugs. I better get in here pretty quick to find out what it is. What is that? Oh, I know what it is. Let me quickly have a look. Let's see. There's 2 in here. There's 2 in here. So one is about 2 pounds. I don't know. We'll have a little look at them. Popcorn popper, cup, sculpture, small dish, scientific. Your scientific test to decide who was taller was classic. It was, and we discovered. Bed sheet set designs. I now have caught up. No one has got it correct yet. Lamp, insulated cut, duffel bags. Does it tell me exactly what these are? Okay, I know exactly what they are. Boop, boop. I've actually got some of these. And they're very handy. And my sister, they were so good, I actually sent some to my sister for her to have some of these as well. And she loves them. Here's a clue. Outdoors. It's an outdoor item. It's an outdoor item. Plant holders. Oh, you're close to their Dyer's in more of the field.
Desk organizer, backpack,
solar
lights.
Door lock. Nope. Solar pots. No. Doorbell. Garden gnomes. The clue here is a garden. The clue is garden, not garden gnomes. Shade thing. That's like when you show disrespect to someone.
Door handle, floodlights, umbrella, wind chime, bug zapper, plant. I hope nobody sends us a plant to unbox because it could be sitting there for a while.
Yeah, it's now a dead plant. Fairy lights.
Camera. Please don't send us plants. Don't send us live plants to unbox.
Or live animals.
Yeah.
Garden stakes, garden set of tools, garden sculpture, garden plant holder, hummingbird feeder. You guys, it's something you use for plants. It's something you use in the hose. Doris, correct.
Yes, Doris, you got it. Yes, this
Doris.
is
It's a
25-foot expandable garden hose.
25-foot expandable garden hose. These things are super cool, flexible. They don't kink. And like, look at that. And they actually extend right up. The weird thing is when you fill them with water, they like a snake coming alive. It's a little scary.
And again, I don't know the company.
It's right here on the form in there.
Oh, okay, cool.
So it says that thank you for your order of there.
Okay. All right, so this is a 25-foot garden hose. Oh, GMG got it immediately.
Wow, how'd you get that so quick?
With the exact company.
That's the company.
GMG.
I haven't even got to the name.
Dang. You are too good. Evan's got it too.
Have you guys got like a camera?
You guys, like, what are you guys?
You look coming through our fire vent? I mean, what is it?
PC Phil is he's probably a hacker. He's
probably got to hook something up there. Oh, yeah, so
that is awesome.
Haven't even got Doris in the chat yet for on the wheel for getting it correct. So GMG was first.
GMG was first.
With the correct company and all.
So we got Doris, GMG, and Evans.
Doris, GMG, and
is that Evans' family or is that just Evans?
This is Evans.
Okay, all right.
Evans family. Are you also Evans or just Evans? Because we do have a cool person called Evans family, and they're not here right now. I know you normally are. So did you shorten your name so as my hand typing wouldn't get so sore? Because if that was cool, that would be cool.
That's funny.
Oh,
good to know. Be good to know.
GMG was so
Evan
fast.
said, beat me again. Wow, GMG on a roll. On the wheel, Tanya. Yes, that is on the wheel. The nail dipping code, yeah.